Here I have LENOVO Tab M7, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the battery section and then to the battery saver. So you can switch this mode here like this. You can also set up a schedule for it based on your battery percentage, like it will automatically turn on when you have 15% battery or something like that, maybe 20. And you can also set it to turn off when your device is up to 19% charged, and yeah, this mode will be turned off automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.